From Chittagong again, Huzur, this question has come. The question is, in our country, Bangladesh, about Akika actually, this is during Jalsa they announced that if anybody wants to do Akika of their son or daughters, then they are requested to deposit their money to Finance Secretary. With that money...
This is not a fair thing. There is a mockery of Akika. They should not save their money for feeding the guests by asking who has got the Akika to do and this and that. I think this is told to the Bangladesh Jamaat to come to their senses and behave properly and should not be stingy about feeding their guests.